The Japanese company has found an innovative way to reduce waste and help the environment. Tokushima Prefecture, Japan. The town is known for its commitment to zero waste and by turning beer waste into paper. The company, called Kamikatsu, is located in a small town, and Kamikatsu is one of the businesses leading the charge. Another company, called Kitafuku, makes its paper with malt lees, a waste product created when beer is made. Some breweries can produce up to 2,000 kilograms of malt lees a month. And while malt lees can be used again, for example, for feeding animals, a lot is thrown away, which can be expensive. The process of turning beer waste into paper is simple but effective. The brewery in Kamikatsu produces a lot of waste in the form of leftover grains and yeast after the beer has been brewed. Instead of throwing this waste away, Kamikatsu decided to turn it into something useful. The brewery worked with a local paper maker to create a process that turns the waste into paper. Kitafuku's solution is to take malt lees from breweries for free and mixes it with the pulp of recycled paper to make craft beer paper. This paper is strong with a light beer color, and you can see the lees in it here and there. The process involves drying the leftover grains and yeast and then combining them with recycled paper to create a pulp. This pulp is then pressed and dried to create sheets of paper that are suitable for a variety of uses, including packaging and printing. The paper produced by Kamikatsu has a unique texture and color, which makes it stand out from traditional paper. Kitafuku is based in Yokohama, a city which is believed to be the birthplace of Japanese beer. Japan's first beer brewery opened here in 1869, and today there are many craft beer breweries in the Yokohama area. According to Kyoto News, the idea to make paper from beer waste came after a local brewer who was worried about the amount of malt lees waste being produced asked Kitafuku for advice. Shoki Matsuzaka, one of Kitafuku's founders, said it made him think of an acquaintance who was making paper from recycled materials. Kitafuku started selling its paper in 2021 and has collected around 1,500 kilograms of malt lees from 8 different breweries so far. Because Kitafuku's paper is strong, it can be used to make menus, postcards, business cards, coasters, and gift boxes. The benefits of turning beer waste into paper are numerous. Firstly, it reduces waste and helps the environment. Instead of throwing away the waste, it is repurposed into something useful. Secondly, it reduces the need for virgin materials to create paper. This means that fewer trees need to be cut down to produce paper, which helps to preserve the environment. Finally, the process of creating paper from beer waste is relatively simple and cost-effective, which makes it an attractive option for businesses looking to reduce their environmental footprint. In conclusion, Kamikatsu's innovative approach to turning beer waste into paper is a great example of how businesses can be environmentally conscious while still being profitable. By repurposing waste into something useful, Kamikatsu is helping to reduce waste and preserve the environment. This process is simple, effective, and cost-efficient, making it an attractive option for other businesses to follow. As more companies adopt sustainable practices like this, we can all work together to create a better and more sustainable future.